Hi, my name is Mark Zahn. I'm one of the owners of Gator Hose, located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I'm here to show you that you have an alternative source of the Weatherhead couplings, the U-Series, the 08U108 for example. Here's the Eaton 08U108. Here's the Gator Hose part. They're identical. Crimp, they look identical and they crimp. They even have the dots of the Weatherhead. We're gonna be crimping today H245 hose. This is the Gator ley line, our proud hydraulic hose. And if you notice, it goes on just on both sides. This side is the Eaton coupling, and this is the Gator hose coupling. In a few minutes, we will be crimping it in a positive stop 410. This is a positive stop Weatherhead 410. Notice it has the arm back here. We're getting ready to crimp the Weatherhead coupling. Okay, 1/2 inch dies inside. Put it up, put the yellow plate, flat plate down. Now here's the Gator. Now in a few moments we're going to mic both of them. Okay, we're back and we've got the fitting crimped. So what I'm going to do is measure the OD of the Weatherhead coupling first. And we have 0.875. Now we're going to crimp. Here's the Gator hose coupling and we'll mic it. And we got 8.7. 0.877. So there's no difference basically in crimping a Gator coupling versus a Weatherhead Eaton coupling on a hose, except price.